awesome. I feel like we should offer people rides.
Let's not.
I mean, like those people with the groceries, they could use this. Is Walmart actually open?
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god.
And it's the only place that's open.
We just had an avalanche off the roof of our car.
Yes, I know.
Oh, that's so badass. Okay.
Walmart looks like it's the only place that's open, actually. It's the only place that has had cars. I have to plow through a drift to get there. What are you gonna just see what's open or what?
Oh, I want to go over by the movie theater and see if they're running shows or not.
We do have a dog in the car now, so.
Oh, I know. It's not like we're gonna actually go. It's
Wow.
just for the sake of argument to see if they work.
Yeah, you're clear. I don't know how much of this I'm getting with any, to any good degree. They sure are open.
They are?
Well, maybe not. Oh no, those people just waved their hands. They're not open. I hope those people didn't walk to the movie theater.
Yeah, I hope so too. Okay, we're gonna turn around here.
Can't we go straight?
I don't know if it's plowed all the way through. Can you see that drift up there?
Okay, well then. For some reason the dog wants out now.
Trust me, Scooter, you don't want out. Is Noodles open?
Again, I think no one is open.
It's the Snopocalypse. It's the Snowpocalypse.
Except for
Walmart. Yeah.
And probably the grocery store.
Yeah, let's go that way. Gosh, check it out.
Yeah, places look weird when they're empty.
Yeah, they really do, especially during
on a Saturday afternoon.
Right. Well, are you ready to start our crime spree? The cops couldn't get here in time.
You know you're on video saying that, right?
I'm kidding, of course. Oh, is that open? Is TJ Maxx open? The lights are all on.
It says our store will be closing at 3 p.m. today.
So they're actually open?
No, it's 3 p.m.
Oh, it's 3 p.m. Why did they even bother opening?
Unless that was 3 p.m. yesterday, and they actually are closed today.
Wow. Is Wal-Mart
closing at 6 p.m. today. But again, it has no date on it, so it's not clear. They might have all closed yesterday when the snow started.
Right. The Lord knows it's not profitable to keep your doors open today. Hey, was that Chinese food restaurant open over there? Yeah, the grocery store's definitely open.
Yeah. Well, I mean, people really aren't going to go to TJ Maxx in the snow, but they'll go to the Walmart or the grocery store if they have to.
What do the signs say?
It doesn't.
No, on this side, when the doors close.
That's an advertisement for ribs, dear.
Oh, never mind. Wow. Well, no movie theater, I guess.
Sorry. Right to the left.
Oh yeah, forgot about that.
Do you want me to keep recording?
Sure, why not?
I want to have some video time left to put Scooter out in the snow.
Go ahead and stop.